Now that you have practiced working with if, and else statements, you can remove them from your code. So we have to remove all of them. Once you complete that, use let to declare a variable continue loop. Excuse me. And assign it to the boolean false. Then use the let to declare a done variable and assign it to the value of 0. Okay, you have to use the let to declare a done variable. Okay, how do you do that? So first, let's declare a done variable with let keyword, then assign it to value of 0. Yay, nice.